Hey there guys and girls, I just figured I would do a little bit of a gear video, EDC kind of video, show you some of the stuff I carry and maybe some stuff I will be carrying in the future, that kind of stuff. So let's get into this. I usually have my Garrett hat. I don't really wear hats, but if I have to, I like to wear that one. I want to get something a little bit better, but that's not too bad. I got that for free, so can't beat that. Let's leave that over there. I like to have a watch on me, so I'm not always staring at my phone. And if your phone ever dies, you still have something to tell you. It's waterproof, so not bad. A little cheap watch. Not every day, but every other day. I need to fill this. Zippo, easy way to make fire. No, I don't smoke. I just like lighters, Zippos. It's always good to have a flashlight. A lot of people don't carry flashlights because they have their cell phone. Again, if your phone's dead, I got light. I like this one. It's got 2 settings. Well, 3 settings, I guess. It's not bad. Little flashlight. Stuff over there. Everyone should carry a multi-tool. They're really good for everything. My buddy just gave me this one. I haven't really carried it, so I like Leatherman's, but he gave me this one. I'll try it out. It's got, I don't even know what it has because I haven't really used it. Saw blade, screwdriver, bottle opener, file. Let's see, typical stuff, you know. If anyone's ever seen a multi-tool, they know what's in it, but sometimes there's different stuff. I need to sharpen that. That is not even remotely sharp. I don't know. I don't even know what brand this is. Let's give that a look. Yeah, so I've never heard of that brand. I've only had a couple multi-tools, so it's a little heavy, but maybe it's pretty durable. They're useful in certain situations, so it's not ideal for everything, but when you're in a pinch, that'll work. Same buddy gave me this knife for my birthday. No name brand, I don't think. Just some cheap knife. But I've been using it for a month and a half now, and it's still retained a good edge. Decent little knife. Nothing crazy. Just enough to open boxes and do little, finer work, whatever you need to do. Not going to freak anybody out, hopefully, but good enough to clean under your fingernails, cut boxes open, whatever. A little self-defense if you need it. If you need just some, don't mess with me, but nothing that's going to get you in trouble. So I like it. It's lightweight. I don't even feel this when I'm wearing it. Very good sturdy clip. That's probably what I look for in a knife, is a good sturdy clip that's not going to just break or bend, because I like it tight where it's not going to fly out of my pocket or wherever. So, but yeah, for being a cheap knife, it's kept its edge pretty well. I like it. So, but I'm rambling, so this is the stuff I carry every day or keep in the car: flashlight, multi-tool, little pocket knife. Usually have that on me. I gotta fill that. Let's see, my hat, what else? My phone, obviously. Work keys, car keys, a little flashlight, I guess, that may work. I guess